AI, AI, AI. Aren't you hearing this word from a long time? And do you know why the AI is trending in the market and why the scope of the artificial intelligence is trending in the market? It's all due to ChatGPT. Yes, after the launch of ChatGPT, it has crossed 1 million users within a week. And you will be shocked to know that it has finally crossed 1 billion users within the 2 months. And due to continuous usage of ChatGPT, now ChatGPT is at full capacity. It means now it's preventing new people to create new accounts. So, what's making it so special? Well, ChatGPT is a platform from OpenAI, which has paid-studied a large collection of data using natural language processing system, through which it returns the answer whichever you search. It can do tons of things in a single amount of time. You can ask the ChatGPT to build a code, you can ask the ChatGPT to make a website, or you can search for anything. Then how it is different from Google? Well, if you search for a topic, let it be an essay on YouTube, then you have to go on search bar in Google and you have to search for that. Then you will get so many links. After reading all the content in the links, you will select an answer. But the ChatGPT gives a perfect and understandable answer according to our constraint in an easy way. You can ask the ChatGPT, just give me an 50 words of essay, then you will get it. Now, don't you want to try it? If you want to try it, you can get the link of the ChatGPT in the description box. Aren't you getting excited about this? If you are, then you should know the dark side of ChatGPT. According to the research, it came out that nearly 60% of the users are fearing due to ChatGPT, as their jobs can be easily replaceable by ChatGPT because it can do any work in a small amount of time and in a perfect manner. Even Elon Musk has given a warning on AI. So, after listening this,
I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot. Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous than nukes.
but do you know that after launching of ChatGPT, it has really affected so many big companies? That is, I am talking about the Google. Due to the huge increase of users in ChatGPT, the CEO of the Google, Sundar Pichai, declared a code red after 2 years. By this, we can understand that even these big companies are suffering loss due to ChatGPT. As we know, the Google earns $200 billion from searching ads. So, due to the use of searching in ChatGPT, the Google is lost now. Then what do you think? Will Google can maintain its legendary status or not? Will it be an history? If you ask me, then I say that the ChatGPT will never gonna crush the Google, because the ChatGPT has only studied only the 2% of the data comparing to the Google's data. The Google has been storing 30 years of data. If the Google can make an artificial website which can use the 100% of the data which are stored in it, then the ChatGPT will never ever can touch it. If you're really satisfied with my answer, you can hit the like button. Still, who knows what will happen in the future? If the ChatGPT still increases rapidly, then it can really become a problem to the Google or any big companies. And also, you can comment your opinion in the comment box. And finally, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to get updated with more interesting videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.